In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the scanner station here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, let me go ahead and make my way back over to my base right now. We've been pumping out videos the last couple of days, and everything's located here at the LARP station right over here. But what you need to do is obviously make your way over to wherever your scanner station actually is. Now, the way that the scanner station works, and this is what it looks like, right, is it detects materials, specific materials that you can go ahead and, farm for within about 300 meters of the scanner station itself, including above, below, and all around you. And it kind of shows you exactly where you are in the middle. I know it's kind of hard to see compared to all these other resources. You just got to interact with the front of it, and you could see exactly what you're looking for, whether it's, bloom infestations, gold, salt, any of this stuff, right? And as you select it, it's going to show where it is, and then you just got to go on here, select it again, and it's going to direct you exactly where you need to go ahead and go. And you can do this with really everything, even anomalies, right? These new windows that they added, and they go like for the entire thing, are really cool. It's like having an aquarium everywhere. But as you can see, once you select something, it's going to mark it on the map itself. Like I selected that anomaly, and it's going to mark it over there. But that really is the full process right here. That is how you can use the scanner station. Once again, these only cover a very limited range. So if I were you, I'd select and set up multiple bases, and then of course use them throughout all these areas here in your time in Subnautica. But yeah, if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.